Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll take you on an inspiring journey through a modern minimalist two-story home. From the striking exterior to the elegant interiors, every detail has been thoughtfully designed. Let's dive right in. We begin with the breathtaking front exterior. Matte black walls, glass accents, and wooden panels create a bold yet refined statement. The glossy wooden front door adds a welcoming touch, enhanced by warm LED lighting. To the side, the wooden garage door seamlessly blends with the minimalist landscape, featuring white stones and small green plants. Moving to the front terrace, elegance takes center stage. Polished black marble flooring reflects the soft glow of wall-mounted lights. Modern rattan chairs paired with a sleek glass table offer a cozy space to relax. Black matte planters with lush greenery complete the sophisticated look. Stepping inside, the living room greets you with a warm, modern vibe. A dark gray sofa paired with a black glass coffee table sets the tone. The accent wall, clad in black marble with built-in wooden shelves, draws attention, while LED strip lighting in the ceiling adds a serene ambiance. Next, we explore the open-concept dining area. A long black wooden dining table surrounded by sleek leather chairs creates a luxurious atmosphere. Above, a gold strip pendant light adds elegance, while the glass wall opens up to the backyard, blending indoor and outdoor spaces effortlessly. The kitchen is the epitome of luxury. Matte black cabinets are paired with a black marble countertop veined with white, creating a stunning visual contrast. The central island, illuminated by gold downlights, becomes the perfect centerpiece. The sleek built-in cooktop completes the modern design. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort and style. black wooden panel accents on the walls exude warmth, while the velvet gray headboard enhances the room's elegance. Small pendant lights on either side of the bed provide soft illumination, perfect for relaxation. The bathroom feels like a private spa. Black marble flooring adds grandeur, while dual sinks with matte black wooden cabinets ensure functionality. The large mirror with LED lighting, a glass-enclosed shower with gold accents, and a pristine white bathtub create a serene retreat. The home office is designed for productivity and focus. A sleek black wooden desk blends into the wall, accompanied by an ergonomic chair. Built-in bookshelves with LED lighting add a sophisticated touch, while the large window with sheer black curtains provides ample natural light. The family room is all about comfort. A large black leather sofa, a black marble coffee table, and a widescreen TV mounted on a dark wooden accent wall create a cozy and stylish entertainment space. LED ceiling lighting enhances the inviting atmosphere. As we head upstairs, the modern staircase takes the spotlight. Floating black wooden steps and a glass railing give a futuristic feel. The black marble accent wall and LED strip lights along the edges create a stunning visual experience. The upstairs lounge is a haven for relaxation. A modular black sofa paired with a soft gray rug makes for a cozy setting. Large glass windows offer a view of the outdoors, while soft LED strip lights along the walls and ceiling enhance the tranquil mood. Who wouldn't love a private home theater? Black acoustic wall panels ensure perfect sound quality, while a large leather sofa and a state-of-the-art projector bring the cinematic experience home. Soft LED ceiling lighting adds a touch of drama to the space. The spacious balcony offers an intimate outdoor retreat. Black wooden flooring, transparent glass railings, and modern lounge chairs create the perfect spot to unwind. Small wall lights enhance the ambiance, making it a serene space, day or night. The private pool is a showstopper. Glossy black ceramic edges and soft lighting from the pool's perimeter create a luxurious vibe. Surrounded by tropical plants and wooden lounge chairs, it's the ideal place for relaxation. The backyard is a modern oasis. A sleek outdoor seating area with a small fire pit at the center sets the mood. Hidden LED garden lighting enhances the space's charm, creating a warm and inviting environment for gatherings. The outdoor barbecue area is perfect for entertaining. A black concrete table with wooden bar stools surrounds the modern stainless steel grill. The black wooden privacy wall ties the space together, making it as stylish as it is functional. Finally, the garage blends style and utility. The matte gray flooring complements the wooden storage racks, while bright LED lights illuminate the space. The automatic brown garage door completes this modern and organized area. And that concludes our tour of this stunning modern minimalist two-story home. A perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. Every corner of this house speaks sophistication. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring designs. See you in the next video.